You're welcome back to my phone screen. So, this update is just like uh, US Cloud Miner. US Cloud Miner. You can actually mine free on this update. You can also actually mine cryptocurrency for free. It's a cloud mining. It's just like US Cloud Miner that I introduced to you, and till now it's still working. So, and but on this platform, if you want to mine quickly, then you have to buy their GH. Just buy their this thing, purchase any of their this thing, any amount you are okay with. Just purchase it, maybe $10, $100, $1,000, any amount, and you'll be making money. You'll be making money every day when you buy a computing power. For example, let's say I buy a computing power of let's say $100. So computing powers of $100 will be giving me 6% daily. 6% of $100 daily. That means I'm going to be getting $6 daily on whatever I put in here. For example, let's say I put in $20, then $20 will be giving me 5% daily. So that is how this platform is. You can just type in the amount you want to invest, the amount you want to use to buy your computing power, and you'll be getting the percentage daily. You can see it here. On that $1,000, you'll be getting 8% daily. 8% of $1,000. You can do your calculation. So right now, if you want to join this platform, check the description of this video. So one thing about this platform is that you can mine Litecoin, Dogecoin, Zcash, BTC, Bitcoin Cash, Dash, Tron, SLM, SRP, and USDT. Normally, when you mine any of all these coin here, it will be converted to USDT. You can convert it to USDT and withdraw it. So if you want to mine, this is what you will do. Click on the mining button here. Click on that mining button. So go down. If you go down, you will see that everything has changed here. For example, let's say I want to mine Bitcoin, or let me mine um, let me mine. Okay, let me just mine Bitcoin. For example, let's say I want to mine Bitcoin. So just drag this hash line here, drag it to the full. So right now I am mining Bitcoin. As you can see, it's reading right now. It's reading. So this is how US Cloud Miner work exactly. Until now, the platform is still paying people. It's still paying. So that is how to mine. You can also mine Litecoin, Dogecoin, Zcash. You can also mine Tron, Stellar, Ripple, etc like that on this platform. So right now, let me show you something again. So for example, let's say you want to I have already shown you how to buy your GH to your computing power. You just click here. For example, let's say you want to deposit on this platform. Sorry, you want to deposit on this platform. You click on your deposit here. So you select the coin you want to deposit with, either USDT TRC20, Ripple, which is SRP, SLM, or with Tron or Dash or Bitcoin Cash or Bitcoin, or with Zcash or Dogecoin or Litecoin, any of it. Just click on them and deposit. For example, let's say I want to deposit USDT. So after I click on it, deposit Theta TRC20 balance right now. Send any amount of Theta TRC20 to this address, and the amount and the money will be credited to your account. So all you need to do is to click on copy here, click on copy, to copy the wallet address given to you there. Copy the wallet address you see here. Just copy the wallet address here. So this is the wallet address. So all you need to do is to just copy, then send the USDT TRC20 you want to send, and send it to the wallet. You can send any amount. On this, there's no minimum deposit, no this thing. So just deposit any amount you wish to use to start mining. It is a cloud mining platform. It is cloud mining. So as you can see, my Bitcoin is still mining on. It's still going on. As you can see, it's still going on. It's still going on. So for withdrawing, you can click on withdraw, then select from the coin you want to withdraw from. Select any of it. For example, I want to withdraw from USDT TRC, or let me say I want to withdraw from Bitcoin. Don't worry. Let's say you want to mine Bitcoin. You can deposit any of the coin, and you can use it to buy the hash power. You can deposit any of the coin and use it to buy hash power. So for example, let's say I want to withdraw. After I click on Bitcoin, so I can input the amount I want to withdraw here. Then the wallet address I'm withdrawing to, I can just input it here. So that is how, then you click on withdraw. So that is how to withdraw on this platform, and immediately you will see your money directly into your wallet. So this is the update for you, and also you can refer people to get when you refer people, also you will get free uh this thing, free GHS, that is free computing power. So that is how this platform works. If you like this platform, you can join them and start mining free. But if you want to withdraw very fast on this platform, then just buy any of the computing power. There's no minimum you can buy. You can buy anyone. You can buy any amount you want on this platform. Okay, so before I go, let me tell you about the withdrawal. The minimum withdrawal on USDT, if you are withdrawing through USDT, the minimum withdrawal is $5. That is 5 USDT. For Bitcoin, the minimum withdrawal for Bitcoin is 0.005. Like that. Yeah, what I know is that the minimum withdrawal is $5. So immediately you have up to $5 you can withdraw on this platform. So that is it. Very cool, very cool. Uh, it's very cool. It's very cool to try. You can try it out. Till now, US Cloud Miner is still paying, and they are very pay. They are paying very good right now. They are paying very good. So also right now, this is a new platform. This is a new cloud mining platform. So you can just try your luck now and buy their GH. You can buy with any amount. Buy with any amount you want, any amount you are willing to start with. Just deposit it and buy and start mining. You can use the free mining, but that will not give you much this thing. So you can just buy any of this thing. So guys, thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. I'm going to see you in my next video. We are going to talk about another cool platform, cool way to make money online. So for now, goodbye and have a nice time.